This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Stellar today. Stellar, I observed setting up this morning with the New York Open here at the R3 Camarilla pivot level. And my trade idea was an R3 to an S3 traverse. We'll go to the weekly here and do a top-down analysis, and then I'll go into further detail on my entry and exit into Stellar. Here on Stellar, we can see this is the current strong low on the weekly, the current week high. This would be the structural top and bottom, and here for the current price action. And Stellar is in this very wide range here on the weekly. Here on the 4-hour chart, we can see the range here is a bit smaller, but still a large range. And we can see that there's been some consolidation here at this level for some time here. And we can see steady selling here since this week high was formed back here. And up here on the 15-minute, this R3, and this is Camarilla pivot R4 up here. This whole range here, this is a premium area. So this is an area of premium where price is at a premium. So I would have a bias towards selling in this area as the price would be high, and you would want to sell high and buy low. So this would be considered a premium or higher priced area. So I would be inclined to sell if a currency pair or any financial instrument is within this area here of R3 and R4 being an area of premium for price. And then we'll go in here on the 15 a bit closer to get a look at my entry. So here is the U.S. Open or the New York Open with this candle right here, this volume candle, and this candlestick here. This would be the U.S. Open. All of this would be pre-market here. Here, this is the structural range for Stellar for this morning. We can see here this is the before the open, this was the week high, and this was the strong low here in the range. And you can observe this is a very narrow range for price action or for structure. And I like to see narrow ranges for any trades that I take. Seeing a narrow or tight range for me would be indicative of expecting some type of breakout in some type of way. So we can see that volume comes in here. I believe this was some type of news event here out of the U.S. market. Excuse me, that triggered this this candle here that has the large wick. We can see that buying comes in afterwards. And then this is a Fibonacci retracement tool. I use this to help me choose entries, but I'll remove it for now so that we can see the price action. So we can see another, we see the volume comes in here as well. On this candle comes in here as well with this candle, this doji type candle. Throws up a large wick up here above the R4 level here. And then what gets my attention is these candles here. So this, I would see these candles here, or at least these green candles, these buy candles here, as an order block here. So this would be the order block, and it would be confirmed by this candle here, I believe. Let's double check. This would be or it could be this candle here. Let me double check my, what is the low of this? 27,580, and then the close here. Yeah, so this would this candle here closes the order block, or confirms this order block here. And then there's some consolidation here after it's formed. And then this candle, you can see the volume profile comes in here, and buyers come in. But this, I take an entry. I think my entries was about here, but wound up getting filled closer up here to R4. And my stop was above this candle right here. We can see, or if you check the data set that's right here, you'll see that if I come over this candle, this pullback candle, we can see that this candle 27,963 and this candle 27,978. So this candle fell shy of breaking out above this candle. Also here, with this candle here, we get a break of structure from this opening structure that's here. This breaks this structure here. So there's a break of structure. So what I'm seeing here is the R3 to R4 Camarilla pivot range, which is an area of premium for price. Then we have this consolidated, or this area of consolidation, which basically forms the range of the opening structure for price action here. And then we have a break of structure, or break of that structure here in this candle, followed by the price action forming this order block here. And then based on the confirmation of this order block here, and then we get pulled back in to test the order block, and this order block holds, and then we can see price action begins to sell off here, get some consolidation here, likely some distribution, and another leg of selling off here. And we'll zoom out, and we can see where profits are taken here. So this is the S3 level here, this being the R3 level. So a successful R3 to S3 traverse here just before the close of the U.S. market. And then today, additionally, I took one other position. That position was in Avalanche. I took that position in Avalanche here. It made some progress here. This is the S3 level, and my trade idea was a traverse here to the R3 level, but it failed to reach that level. I took a stop out here in this candle as price action broke the structure here. This was the previous strong low. This candle here went below and stopped me out here. My original stop was down here, but after this this candle with a break of structure of this previous level here, moved my stop up to the strong low and took the stop out there. And then we go to my tickets for today. Up here, this was a previous trade. This was a trade from yesterday that went into after hours, but worked out pretty well here. This is the trade here on Avalanche, which put me down about $1. And then here's the trade on Stellar, about $2 and change risk, and almost $8 here in profit. So testing my revised trading system, and went 50-50 today, as far as in one winner, one loser, which would put me at 50%, but still up 2.5 R today. So pretty good day today. And this is my trade on Stellar. This is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.